Your lesson essential question is, how do we compare the same story from two different cultures? So we're going to do an introduction today on comparing stories that are the same but from different cultures. If you look at the pictures below, these are illustrations from the same story from two different cultures. So they're two different versions of Little Red Riding Hood. Reading two versions of a story will help you see how writers can tell the same story in different ways. When you compare stories, you find ways that they're alike. So we know when we compare, we're looking for ways that the stories are the same or alike. When you contrast stories, you find ways that they are different. So contrasting is when we find differences. Sometimes two stories have mostly the same plot. You know, we've talked about plot, beginning, middle, and end. We know the beginning, middle, and end includes a problem, steps to solving a problem, and a solution. This week, we're also going to be working on retelling stories in that way. So keep that in mind. But they may have different characters or settings. These are called versions of a story. Different versions of the same story are often told in different countries. Look at the two pictures below. They're from two versions of the story Little Red Riding Hood. How are they alike and how are they different? So today's goal is to look at these two pictures and compare and contrast them. You're going to be doing that in your assignment today. And the rest of this week and next week, we're really going to be focusing on identifying the central message of stories that are the same but different, and comparing and contrasting them.